Dear investors, thank you so much for being with us. We are very happy to be back with you. After the major debacle in the month of March, the first 4 months in the current financial year have actually seen a very smart recovery. Most of the indices have gained nearly 30%. What we are seeing is that some of the sectors have actually done much better. In fact, what we also see is that a lot of investors are quite perplexed with the current market rally, because what they see is that the ground reality and the markets are very much disconnected. But as they say, the devil is in the details, and from that perspective it is very important to see the sectoral trends, because what we see is that the sectoral trends have completely changed in the pre-COVID and the post-COVID environment. The winners in the last 4 months have been from the healthcare sector, IT sector, and also the telecom sector and some of the life insurance companies. From the above trends, there are two key takeaways: portfolio positioning and the economic outlook. On the portfolio positioning, it is generally believed that in long-term investing, buy and hold plays a very important role. And actually, it is quite true, because as Einstein mentioned, that the eighth wonder of the world is the game of compounding. And truly, the fun of equity investing is all about compounding. But there are certain times when the primary trends really change, and that is where an active portfolio manager role comes into play. We believe COVID has been one of those instances, and from that perspective, it was very important to be very agile to actually position the portfolios as per the new environment and align to the new scenarios. From that perspective, our portfolios have actually been quite good. We had a fairly decent weight to the pharmaceutical sector in the range of nearly 15 to 20%. Some of the other sectors also we have allocated quite a bit, be it telecom, be it life insurance companies, or even in the IT sector. The second point that I was talking about is that markets typically tend to give a lead indicator for the economic outlook. In the current environment, most of the sectors which are from the core economic activity are actually giving a very muted outlook. So from that perspective, market is probably trying to tell us that going ahead, it's the defensives and the export oriented businesses which will probably do much better for the next few quarters. In that sense, we are well positioned in our portfolios with allocations to pharma, IT, telecom, and also life insurance businesses. We are quite optimistic that as we go ahead, we will continue to position our portfolios in the current environment to maximize our returns. Thank you so much.